We are the real girlies, you know. Real girlies, you know. Me a business pussy. Girl, you want the pineapple titty with the tightest pussy. Me want grab your chest in the middle of the city. Slap your fat ass while you do, she say easy. Indecent is a crime, so let go the pussy. Me tell her baby, me is a rude boy, so jump in the car, focus I drove by. She said you are so naughty to be a husband. Me say me have 3 kids and 3 wives. This gonna like me have to get the next girl. Me can't change, we go get a girl. She can't fuck the sweat the girl. With the man them around town. None of them next girl. She don't like me ex-girl. If she like me fuck a girl and pleasure girl. Me want on a million girl. Now one of them next girl. She don't like me ex-girl. If she like me fuck a girl and pleasure girl. Me want on a million girl. Next girl. Hey, what one girl? She say good, me say jump in a the car girl. She say where to me say my bedroom girl. She a laugh off for me, she not deny though. So me change the topic as I drove beside her. Me say how many times you are coming a 1 round? She say 3. Me say what though, don't joke around. You mean say can't find room at the surround? Me best say you must see wet in a pants. Because you know say me make you squeak in a fest. No Viagra, me a bun pussy red. Me use high quotes in a brain. If this gonna like me have to get the next girl. Me can't change, we go get a girl.